Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to refurbish this Nokia 201 Asha that's in pretty bad shape. The only problem is the body shell that I have is for a Nokia 200, which instead of this it has the dual SIM button. Either way, I'm changing it. Alright, moving on. Good, it's empty. Well, this is one of the easy phones. I like it and I also dislike it because, well, like I said, it's too easy. Well, I have to say that I liked the N93 body shell. Oh, that was the problem, the sticker, really? Well, this should be fast and easy. Let's see what will happen now. Oh. Well, this explains a lot. This isn't from it here. Yeah, this doesn't belong, and I try to repair it, seriously. Yeah. This is what happens when other people get into the phones before me. Actually, it was a bit logic because it was pretty hard to put the SIM card in. And I was wondering what was this for. There you go. Fixed. And what was this for? Man, trash. That's what it's for. Yeah, so because of this body shell is made for the dual SIM version, see, this thing is not doesn't have the cut there. I'm not going to destroy this door to stick it there. This phone is easy to open, clean and put back together, even to change the shell. There we go. Closing this up. Here's the phone. I'm not going to put this or to cut this and stick it there because this is a original Nokia body shell, and it would be a shame to destroy it. So when I'm going to find a 200 model, I will put it to that one. Until then it stays on this one, and maybe I can find the 201 like this one that has dual SIM. You saw the slot on the main board. So yeah, this is how you open up a Nokia Asha 200 or 201. Now you know. It's very easy actually. What, 6 screws? Actually 2 screws to only detach the front and back. And you just put the new one and 2 screws and the back cover, and that's it. I only opened it to clean it up and it didn't actually need too much. So I hope you find this video useful. I can't actually call this a refurbish. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Subscribe to my channel for more daily videos. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and see you next time. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourself. Now to put this in the showcase. Bye bye.